Now scroll down.
Turn that off. Stop it. What is that in his butt? A ball? What is, that's not real? What is that, man? Oh my god, what is it? Oh my gosh! Ah! No, that's not real. A flashlight? A birthday candle?
Are you seeing it?
What's that?
Are you Are you
No. Keep watching. Keep scrolling down.
I've seen this blow.
No, no.
I've seen it blown up head before.
Watch this. Watch this shit. Watch the thing. No, watch the hands. Watch the hands. Watch. No. Keep going down.
Okay.
Keep going down. Oh my god. Oh.
What ran over him?
Oh. That's all slices.
I know, of what?
Oh god, I don't know.
What's wrong with you guys? I can handle that.
Look at the slices in his hands. How it's like.
That's like, it's sore. I can handle that.
Oh my god.
It's the old people I can't handle.
Oh.
Did he get blown up? Well, let me analyze it now. Stop. That's a little boy. Somebody's child just died.
I think I'll...
Yeah,
Oh my god. He looks like a gangbanger. See what gangbanging does?
See?
Because his pants is hanging off like yours.
Mom, there's no thing to put his body on.
His body has been separated.
That's because he was gangbanging.
Yeah.
Hanging his
Go down.
pants down if he
Go
wore
down.
a belt.
Go
to
down.
the-
Okay, keep going. Keep looking.
Oh. I thought the cross was on the wall. She must be a damn devil. That's why they cut her heart out and stick the crucifix in her mouth. Yeah. You swear and take... What happened here? They cut her breasts off? Oh my... Oh, what is it? Oh, God. Who does this? Oh my jeez. What is that?
There's a face!
Where is the
What?
face?
Oh, his face got blown off by a shotgun.
I don't know what.
Oh! What's up with that penis?
I don't know
It's not
what.
even real.
What is that? Like, why does it look like that?
Well, let's just analyze
It's
it.
called all brain. Yeah.
That's disgusting. Oh, look at the eye.
Yeah, I think that I couldn't take that one.
Oh! 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 What is that? What is that? Everyone touch the screen. Trying to look at that. Oh my god. Wait, is that a penis? No, that's his scrotums. What is that? Oh no, that one's having that. Oh, and that's going up and coming into. That's nasty. Just white people create. What is that?
I've seen that baby. It's in India. I told you. I said if I ever had a baby like that, I would have killed it.
I don't ever. What is that?
Whoa!
A nail through the penis? You are forbidden from going on the internet. You think I'm joking? Oh,
Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh no, this is not good.
Oh.
I stopped at the fingers. Just thought you should know
No,
that.
this is beyond nasty. And there's a lot. Oh no, that's.
I stopped at the fingers.
Can we get off of this? I'm totally disgusted.